at you sitting on your couch. Are you tired of, wandering or sitting on your couch? Well, maybe you should come to the dance-a-thon. It's located in Hoover, where you can bust a move with your besties and the teacher.
Come to the dance-a-thon Friday, Feb 19 at 3:30 in the cafeteria. Challenge your friend to dance.
Maybe the race the most money will win a pizza party. Make sure to turn in your money to your home teacher by Thursday, February 18th.
Ask your friends,
Family,
neighbors to sponsor you
and help school funding.
for future events such as Great America,
Graduation,
barbecue,